Isa ka bang empleyado na pagod na sa 8 to 5 na trabaho? Nakakaramdam ka na ba na parang mas mabilis pang tumaas ang presyo ng mga buwanang bayarin kaysa sa iyong sweldo? Naiipit ka na ba sa trabahong may limitadong potensyal na kita? Isang OFW na uwing-uwi na para makita ang pamilya? Or isa ka sa naghahanap ng sideline hustle para matustusan ang pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan ng pamilya? Huwag mag-alala, di ka nag-iisa. Yan din ang dati kong nararanasan at katanungan. Pero kaibigan, ang kakulangan sa finances ay dapat mong labanan. Yan ang aking ginawa. Hanggang sa may ginawa akong napala sa na-discover kong kumpanya, ang LiveGood. If you are familiar with Netflix na may monthly subscription, similar dito ang concept ni LiveGood. But wait, sa Netflix, nagbayad ka. Nag-enjoy nanood pero hindi ka kumita. Sa LiveGood, nagbayad ka, naging healthy ka, kumita ka. Sounds good. LiveGood is a 5-in-1 business. Club membership, affiliate marketing, subscription-based, e-commerce system, and dropshipping services in one. Launched in December 2022. And this is currently available in 200 plus countries. At akalain mo, in just 1 year, more than 1 million affiliates worldwide na ang patuloy na kumikita sa business na ito. Ang lupit, di ba? Ito ang business na less manpower. Di mo kailangan magbenta, no need required na bumili ng product, pwedeng gawin online business using your cellphone na may internet. They are convenient at bukod pa dito, mura lang. Dito magkakaroon ka ng access. High quality GMP approved, clinically tested US-based health product at wholesale prices. So, paano maging member? One time in lifetime membership na $40 at monthly subscription na $9.95, LiveGood member ka na. You can enjoy as much as 75% discount on all products. Then, just deactivate by paying the monthly subscription. But if you want to have an opportunity to earn and be entitled to the compensation plan, you can be an affiliate of LiveGood with initial membership in $40 and $9.95. You get your own 3 replicated website, login for your business monitoring. Plus online shop na kung saan built-in na ang mga product ng LiveGood. If you refer someone na may bumili sa iyong shop, you earn a commission. And remember, dahil dropshipping ang business, wala ka nang aalalahaning inventory at shipping. Company na ang bahalang mag-door to door sa binili ng customer mo, na pwedeng manggaling sa over 200 plus countries. At para mas maintindihan ng potential customer mo ang business, you have a landing page to a video presentation of our CEO na ipapanood mo sa kanila. At ang exciting part pa ay may 7 ways to earn. 1. Weekly pa-start commission. Dito, every direct referral, you got $25. No requirement needed to get this. No quota. 2. Matrix commission. Ito ang auto spillover na 2x15 matrix na kung saan company automatically distribute member under your team kahit di mo invite. 3. Matching bonuses. Dito may chance na madouble ang earnings mo dahil pwede kang kumita ng 50% sa matrix income ng direct referral mo. 4. Retail commission. Dito, pag may nabenta ang direct invite mo, kikita ka rin. 5. Influencer bonuses. For affiliate to choose you, market product, regular customer on a large scale, you will earn additional bonuses on all that volume. 6. Customer acquisition bonuses. With any of your personally enrolled members, place the product to the first order, 10% of that order is paid out as a customer acquisition bonus. 7. Diamond Pool bonus. If you reach this level, you got 2% from the company's income. Feeling good ka na ba sa dami? 24/7 accessible in the business dahil 100% online na pwedeng gawin ni numan. Employed, unemployed, OFW, single parent, call center agent, or business opportunity seeker ka man. Cellphone o computer plus internet lang ang kailangan. Global ba ang market kaya dollar ang kikitain mo kahit sa Pilipinas ka man nakatira? Just don't forget to keep paying your monthly subscription active para tuloy-tuloy ang earnings. Goods to, di ba? Ready ka na bang simulan ang LiveGood success story mo? Tara, muli nating buhayin ang mga pangarap mo dito sa Live Good. Connecting dreams, one subscription at a time, building wealth, shaping future. How to get back started? Get back to the person that shared this video to you. Or, please follow me for more or mag-iwan ng mensahe para ma-guide kita at matulungan sa business na ito. Or click the sign up button to become an affiliate member Live Good today. Or, I'm just waiting for you kasama mo ang aming team camp at The One Academy. See you. Bye-bye.